will teach you how to get Fortnite dev on this video. Like and sub for more. Also comment W if you want more Fortnite modding tutorials. You will be able to get this on any platform, including console. Exit Fortnite. Go in the link of the description. Go through these processes. If you are already subscribed to both of us, just visit the page and it will recognize you are already subbed. Wait 10-15 seconds. Press unlock link. Press I'm not a robot. Go on free access with ads. Press download FN dev. Click the download. Now watch what I do. Now once you are here, press Rex FN. Now you will be in the Rex FN Discord. Agree to the rules. Go on the Anywhere platform channel and press how to use. You will see multiple links, so watch closely. Press Rex FN Anywhere website. Go through the same steps you did earlier. Make sure to decline the promotions once you download it like we did earlier. Now you should be here. If it asks for an authorization code, go back on the Rex FN Discord and press the code generator link. Now to do this on mobile, just go on the website on your phone. So basically go through the same steps but through your phone. Now load up Fortnite on your PC or console. Now just watch what I do. When you load in Fortnite, add the username that it says on the website and join its party. Now you can choose which skins to wear through the website. There's multiple tabs on the website that you guys can go through, including the new items tab, which contains all new cosmetics that will be released soon or have been released in the recent update. There's also a statistics tab where you can change your level. That's gonna be the end of today's tutorial. If you guys want to keep watching, I will just showcase this dev. But if you click off, have a good rest of your day and comment W if you made it to the end. Until next time, bye.